guys, this is a male duck overpowering a male chicken and chasing it away. The fighting technique of the male duck is very amazing, as you can see. First of all, it flaps its wings to gain balance on the ground. Then secondly, it flaps its wings to gain great power that pushes the cock to the wall. Then thirdly, it grips hard the cock by the mouth and doesn't let go, attacking the cock continuously until the cock is overpowered. Then the duck gets away, celebrating like a champion, twisting its head and feeling proud.